Hello everyone and welcome back to Crypto Bradley YT, and today we're going to be doing another Bitcoin update, an XRP update. This is not obviously my usual surroundings. I am away for the weekend at a family gathering, but we still are going to post another video for you guys. So basically let's just get straight into it. Bitcoin on the 45-minute chart. Let's get to the 45-minute chart. So we are in a big descending triangle. So basically we're in a descending triangle here, as you can see, and we are in another descending triangle within the descending triangle. I can't zoom out too far, only because this laptop's absolutely tiny, so I can't see much on the screen, which is really annoying. But I just wanted to try and get a quick video out for you guys, basically, just to see what Bitcoin's going to do over sort of like the next few hours and over the course of tomorrow. So basically, on the 45-minute chart, we may potentially be breaking out of this small descending triangle here that we are in on the 45-minute chart. So once we do break out of this, let's have a look. So basically this should probably be in the next sort of couple of hours or so. We should be breaking towards the upside out of this. So if we move this over here, and if we basically move sideways and we get to this point here, and we do break out, Bitcoin should be going up to about $30,400. That's just obviously in the short term. Let me just move that over there. So basically, yeah, in the next sort of couple of hours or so, between about 2 to 3 hours or so, we should be getting to the edge of this descending triangle here, and then we should be breaking out towards the upside. Once we break towards the upside here, we'll be coming out to about $30,400. We are about to see. Look, this is the thing. I can't see much at all. Can't really see the MACD very well. Can't really see the RSI very well. Hopefully we do tick bullish, but it looks like on the RSI we may be ticking bearish at the moment in time. So basically, if we do tick bearish, the next candle should be this red candle here, which would mean that we're probably moving down to about $29,500. But let's just move swiftly on. If we go towards the 1 hourly chart, see, this is the problem. I can't really see the screen very well, but I'm just trying to get as much information as I can out of it, just to get a video out for you guys for tonight. But yeah, we are probably about to, we are about to tick bearish on the RSI. We're not looking too good on the MACD as well, so we probably will be going towards the downside a little bit further. So in that case, over the course of the next hour, we probably should be coming down to around $29,600 before anything changes. But as long as we stay above this support level here of $29,500, then we should be fine. We do seem to bounce off it every time. Obviously, we have broken through it before, but it seems to be quite a strong support level at the moment. But if we break towards the downside, next support level we should be retesting is $28,600. And if we break through that, I can't even see the next support level. Yeah, if we break through that, then we'll probably be going down a bit further and retesting the support level down here of about $25,600. But anyway, let's look short term. So yeah, we're not looking too good on the 1 hourly chart. If we move up to the 4 hourly chart, we are... No, we did break through the RSI here, but we've obviously dropped back down. So we probably will be coming back down basically to retest the support level of $29,500. And then hopefully we get bought back up. Looks like we may potentially be ticking bullish soon on the MACD. So if that does happen, then we probably should be breaking out of this descending triangle here. If we do break out of the descending triangle, I do feel like the pump towards the upside from that descending triangle here on the 4 hourly should be quite a big pump towards the upside. So it'll probably be about $31,500. It'll be one of these two. It'll probably be, if it's a small pump, it will probably be about this here, which is about, over the course of the next 4 hours, is probably about $30,500. If we do get a bigger pump towards the upside, then the pump would probably be about $31,600 roughly. No, yeah, about $31,600. If we do break towards the upside of this great big descending triangle here, then I do feel like we should be getting quite a huge pump to the upside. To be honest, we'll probably be coming up to back to these levels here. Well, not straight away. Basically, on the MACD, on the daily chart, with Bitcoin, as soon as we tick bullish on the MACD, then we should be pumping towards the upside very quickly. I do feel like we should get quite a big spike with Bitcoin, and we should be getting to around $40,500. This is probably going to be over the course of the next few weeks, but we do need to tick bullish on the MACD on the daily. But obviously, we're not sure if that's going to happen just yet. So basically, in the short term, we just need to break out of this descending triangle here, and if we do that, then we should be coming up to around, no, this is wrong. So if we do break out of this small descending triangle here on the 4-hourly chart, then the pump towards the upside will probably be about $31,500. So that's just in the short term. If you move towards a daily, on the daily chart, we are nearly about to break out of this descending triangle, but if we do that, then the pump towards the upside would be basically about that here. So we'll probably be breaking out of the small one and then breaking out of the bigger descending triangle. Once we do that, we probably could be going up quite high, but we just need to be ticking bullish on the daily chart, which obviously we haven't been doing just yet. So if we do close, but basically the thing is that we need to close above this descending triangle. If we don't and we break towards the downside, then we should be moving quite quickly further towards the downside, basically. But if we do break out and we do close above this descending triangle, basically tomorrow, or tomorrow or Monday morning, then we should be coming up to around $32,500. So that's for Bitcoin in the short term. But this is all if we basically close above this descending triangle, basically. But also, let me just check for you guys. So we are also in a bearish flag pattern. Let me just move this candle here. If I move this candle, and I can basically show you that we are in a descending triangle, it's basically a bearish flag pattern. So I'm just trying to get my words right. But we are in a bearish flag pattern on the daily. If we were to break towards the upside, then the upside potential would be this candle here, which is basically what I've shown you. But if we break towards the upside of this bearish flag pattern and we do close above this, so the daily has to close above this bearish flag pattern for this bigger pump to happen. If this does happen, then we should be coming up to around $33,000, basically $34,000. If we break towards the downside of this bearish flag, then we would be coming down and basically breaking through these support levels here to about $26,700, and then I would think that we'd come straight down to this bigger support level here of about $25,500. If we do break out of this bearish flag pattern, and if we close outside of the bearish flag pattern, then I would be starting a short position, basically, because we should be going down pretty quick and basically pretty quick. But if we obviously break towards the upside, then the upside potential will probably be about $34,000. So just keep an eye on that. We need to break out of this bearish flag pattern, and we need to close above this bearish flag pattern on the daily chart. Let's move towards the Bitcoin, to XRP. XRP in the short term, we're obviously copying what Bitcoin does. So on the RSI, we are ticking bearish, but as long as we stay between these two, basically in this ascending triangle that we're in with XRP, then we should be fine. But if we do start to tick bullish, then the bullish movement will probably be this green candle here. So then that would mean that we'd be basically breaking out to about 39.5 cents. If we obviously break towards the downside potential would be this red candle here. Then we should be coming down and basically coming down to around 38.5 cents and retesting this quite a big support level here of about 38.5 cents. As you can see, it's quite a big support level coming up. We're in a descending triangle at the moment, and we've also got a ascending triangle within the descending triangle. So that's just on the short term for 45-minute chart. Let's head towards the 1 hourly. So the 1 hourly is still looking bearish along with Bitcoin, and the MACD may be ticking bearish very, very soon. So yeah, basically if we do tick bearish, we should be coming down to this little support level here of 38 cents, just over 38.5 cents. But obviously if we do break towards the downside, we'll be coming straight back down to this support level here of 38.5 cents and potentially breaking further down towards 38 cents. So obviously these support levels here are quite close to each other. I had to make a new chart because obviously this is a a different laptop basically that I'm having to use, but I just wanted to make sure I got this video out for you guys basically. So bear with me, but I'll be back to my normal desk tomorrow. So it'll be back to normal setup. But basically, let's move towards the 4-hourly chart with XRP. We are getting close to the edge of this ascending triangle here. If we do break towards the upside out of this, then we should be coming up to about. Oh, I'm just starting loads of little lines here. Let me just move all that. Then we should be breaking towards the upside here of about 39, basically 40 cents we should be coming up to, and then that would mean that we'd be breaking out of this descending triangle here, so we could get a further break towards the upside, which will probably be this big green candle here. Let me just get this for you. If we break out of this descending triangle, then basically the pump to the upside will be about towards 41 to 42 cents. Obviously, if we do break towards the downside, so basically the downside potential will probably be about the same. So we'll be coming out of this and straight back down to this big support level here of about 38.5 cents. I'm probably breaking through most of these support levels here and coming down to about 37.5 cents. But obviously, if Bitcoin drops even further, then we should be coming straight down and probably coming down to around 36.5 cents. I haven't drawn in all of my support levels. I just drew in the first few, just so you guys get an idea of what's happening with XRP and Bitcoin at the moment. But yeah, the MACD could be ticking bullish very, very soon down here. So if that does, then we should expect basically a pump towards the upside and break out of this ascending triangle that we're in. And also the RSI, I can't really see it, so I'll have to check that for you guys. But it does look like we may be ticking bullish very, very soon. And let's check the daily very, very quickly. So let me just show you. Basically, we are also in a bearish flag pattern with XRP on the daily as well. If we put a yellow line here and a yellow line here, then let me just show you the upside potential. If we do tick bullish on the MACD on the daily, just like I said earlier, for Bitcoin as well, then we should be getting a pump towards the upside for XRP to about 44 to 45 cents. If we do that, then that should be great. But let's measure towards the downside as well. So basically, the downside potential for XRP could be this candle here. So let's just move it to the bottom of this bearish flag pattern. We should probably break down further than this if we do close below this bearish flag pattern. But the potential should probably be about 34.5 cents, and possibly quite a lot further. But we basically need to. We're so close to ticking bullish on this MACD on the daily. As soon as this happens, then we should get quite a big pump towards the upside. So yeah, let's expect quite a big pump towards the upside as soon as we break out of this small descending triangle we're in now. That would give us this break towards the upside, which should potentially mean that we should be retesting this support level here, or $32,100. If we break through this, then the upside potential should be pretty big. But we just need to close above this descending triangle, basically. But this could happen in the next, possibly around the 8th, between the 8th and the 13th of June. We should expect quite a big pump towards the upside. Basically, over the course of today and tomorrow, we may just be trading sideways, but we need to break out of this small bearish flag pattern that we're in, basically. So in the next sort of few hours, or by tomorrow, if we break out of this bearish flag pattern down here, then we should be coming up to around $34,000. That's on the daily. If we go to the 4-hourly, then obviously the opportunity is a little bit different. So it will be a lot less. So I'd probably go off of the 4-hourly chart first. If we do break up towards the upside out of this, then we should be retesting up here, the top of this bearish flag pattern. If we break towards the upside, then we should be coming up to around $32,500. So that's a target, really. But we need to break out of the support level here of about $31,800 first. So in the short term, we're probably coming down to retest this support level, and then hopefully we should get bought back up pretty quickly, and do what we did here and basically come up and retest the top of this bearish flag pattern here. So over the next course of probably over tonight and tomorrow, that'll probably decide on what happens. If we break through this, then we're going straight down towards the downside. But if we break, if we hit the support level here, then we should be bouncing back up. So by sort of tomorrow, we could be sitting at around $30,700. That's just my prediction for tonight. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe and slap a like on it. I'll be back to my normal desk tomorrow. So yeah, make sure you guys check the previous 2 videos that I made yesterday, and just check out and see what I said on those videos. They were pretty good ones, but they're kind of the same. One was filmed a few hours before the other, but that's about it. And thank you guys for coming over from Twitter as well. I really do appreciate it. Hopefully we can get more of you guys over here as well, or guys and girls. But yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one, and thank you for watching. Peace.